welcome back to the channel. So transmission's in, motor's in, axle's in, all the parts are in. I had to modify one of the brake lines because my exhaust was hitting it, and MP gives you this little rubber hose thingy because they think there's going to be metal fatigue that'll break the line, even though they sold the hardline kit for it for decades. But anyways, so had to adjust first, second gear. Thank God I got that hole in the side of the case because like the jig was close, but not quite close enough, or maybe I just did it wrong. I don't know. But here we go for a little spin. A little rainy today, but should be fine. Oh, got first gear. First gear. That's a positive. I'm in second right now. Oh shit. Didn't pop out. Doing good so far, but need to get to Mexico. That way I could put some boost on it. Second gear left over from the original transmission, put that in. Was okay for a couple weeks, and then the big nut that holds everything onto the pinion shaft backed itself off. I lost it. Second gear pull. Caused issues. Had to tow it home. Took it apart. Took the nose cone off. Sure enough, there's nut like all backed out. Got lucky, didn't cause any damage to anything since I decided not to drive it. Put it all back together. Put a nice fat tack weld on it, but not all the way around in case I got to take it apart again because you know, overpowered Volkswagen brake shit. And yeah, so far so good. Let's try second gear again. Yeah, feels good. Yep, in third. In fourth. Yeah, we passed Mexico a while back there, so yeah, we all good. You know, get confused sometimes. You know, signs say kilometers instead of miles per hour. So. Second gear. Yep, it is good. Oh, we'll try. How should I put it? So far so good. I don't know how well you can hear me with all the wind noise. So I took a chance. I fixed it. So if you got like a spare trans to cut up, you know, it's a free time, and an understanding wife that'll let you play in the garage and not yell at you too much for it, you too can fix your stuff. So yeah, that's the gist of it. So right now I'm just going to put around Mexico here, you know, doing first, second gear pulls, you know, not going over the kilometer speed in Mexico. Yeah, feels good. Is that the Policia up front? Now what? And I'm not going to go down that street. Go down this street. And I need to get gas. Or petro, as they say in Mexico. Second gear. Hasn't popped out. Type 1 case, Super Beetle, you know, main shaft, first, second gear. I guess some newer style welded third and fourth gear hubs. I guess they're friction welded, unlike the conventional one where they TIG welded and there's like that metal washer to keep the sleeve gizmo from overpassing it. So first gear looked good. Second gear in the other videos, like I said, you saw the teeth, they were gone. Third gear was cool, and fourth gear was okay. And oh, hey, it actually went into first while I'm rolling. Alright. U-turn this real quick. Head back to the US. Just a little scrape that time. First gear. Second gear. Third gear. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's a win. Good W. Hang out with my little kids too much. So yeah. So thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe button, share with a friend. Sorry there's not too much to really see in this video, but like everything's in the